to show or hide sound labels in live caption in Samsung Galaxy S21, S21 Plus or S21 Ultra. Open settings, swipe up home screen to access the app screen, and then tap settings. You can also open settings screen from notification panel. Swipe down notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find accessibility, and then tap accessibility. Tap hearing enhancements, tap live caption, and then to show sound labels, tap switch until blue, or to hide, tap switch until gray. Sound label includes sounds like louder, applause, and music. Tap switch until blue to show, or tap switch until gray to hide. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.